Every year, Picower Institute scientists take a little time away from the lab to explore new connections with their science and each other. This year, for the Dana and Betty Fisher retreat, they went to a historic haunt, Salem. In a spirited day of collaboration and networking, Picower people engaged in many ways of sharing their science.
The children of Dana and Betty Fisher established the endowment that sustains this retreat and ensures that future generations of Picower scientists can come together in this way. Now, almost 2 decades later, it's really clear how important their vision has been. Science is often described through the lens of individual breakthroughs, but we know that many of the most important advances emerge from conversations that connect different perspectives, methods, and levels of analysis. Retreats like these create the space for those new collaborations, help us see our work in the broader context, and in many ways they remind us that discovery is a collective endeavor.
A panel of junior faculty shared the secrets of starting their new labs. A panel of more senior faculty talked about what it takes to make collaborations successful.
Actually, a lot of my collaborations have been where I was looking for some particular expertise, and I approach people. And sometimes it works out, and sometimes it doesn't. It's like you have to be used to rejection, too, in science.
Keynote speaker Jeff Lichtman of Harvard presented his work to comprehensively map the connectome of neural circuits.
You have to go from a single cell, basically, to a very complicated brain, and how that happens itself is going to be also challenging.
Postdocs and graduate students randomly matched up for speed sharing sessions and then reported out highlights of what they learned in their encounters.
Then I talked to Jessica, and she told me a little bit about her background of growing up in Pennsylvania, how she was really interested in synaptic proteins and neurodegenerative diseases.
We talked about a bit of AI. And how AI could be helpful in our domain as well, but mostly some unique experiments that we are running with AI and how they could impact our lab development.
Several trainees gave lightning talks about their research.
A little bit nerve-wracking to speak in front of everyone, but also really exciting because, we're around these people all the time, you're walking down the halls, and to actually be able to put their science to their face and their name is really great.
And just before dinner, many more postdocs and grad students presented their research at a poster session.
Because in the department there is always some sort of like ice cream socials and everything, but in the retreat it's more like abroad. We get to know a lot of people from other labs, and that kind of making us like a big cohort.
In Salem, the real magic was in how Picower scientists came together for a spell to share their science.